Wondering how to make real money online without wasting time or falling for scams? In this video, I'll show you the easiest and laziest ways to make money online in 2025, even if you're starting from scratch. Hey, it's great to have you here. I'll pop in throughout this video to guide you, give you real tips, and help you avoid common beginner mistakes. Oh, stay to the end because I'll show you the one method that's practically built for lazy people, and it works. So let's start with one of the easiest ways to begin. Becoming a virtual assistant, or VA. This online job is perfect for beginners. Why? Because it doesn't require a degree, certification, or even much experience to get started. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and build a business around services that are already in demand. VAs support businesses by handling admin tasks, organizing inboxes, managing calendars, and more. As the world of remote work grows, so does the need for flexible, organized virtual help. It's one of the top beginner-friendly jobs with long-term potential. So, what exactly does a VA do? As a virtual assistant, your tasks can vary. One client may need help managing emails, scheduling appointments, and uploading blog posts, while another might want help with social media captions or creating Canva graphics. This variety makes the work interesting. You can also choose to specialize. For instance, you can become a social media VA, helping clients grow on Instagram or Pinterest, or assist with podcast editing or email marketing. There are dozens of niches within VA work, which gives you room to evolve your skill set and raise your rates. Worried about not being tech-savvy enough? Don't be. Thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT, even beginners can become efficient. You can ask ChatGPT to help draft client emails, write weekly newsletters, or even respond to common customer questions. This can save hours of work and help you look like a pro even when you're just starting out. Other tools like Trello for task management or Loom for screen recording also make your work smoother. These tools allow you to deliver high-quality results without spending years learning new systems. Start simple and level up over time. One of the best things about being a VA is the chance to grow. You can start as a general assistant and then niche down based on your interests or the needs of the market. For example, if you love Instagram and content creation, you could specialize as a social media VA. If you're more tech-inclined, you might help with podcast production or editing YouTube videos. As you gain experience and build a portfolio, your rates can go from $15 per hour to $30 or even $50. The key is to start broad and niche down. Not sure how to land your first VA job? Start small. Offer your services to nonprofit organizations, small business owners, or even family friends. Many people just need a little extra help managing their day-to-day tasks and would gladly welcome support. This helps you build confidence, gather testimonials, and improve your skills. Once you have a few successful projects under your belt, you can start pitching your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or even network directly. Another easy way to make money online in 2025 is by selling low-content books through Amazon KDP. You don't need to be a professional writer or a graphic designer. Low-content books are things like journals, notebooks, planners, or puzzle books. These types of books are always in demand, and best of all, once you create them, they can earn money passively with very little ongoing effort. What kind of low-content books can you create? Think of daily gratitude journals, budget planners, password logbooks, fitness trackers, or coloring books for kids. If you target specific audiences like teachers, campers, or pet lovers, your books can really stand out on Amazon. You can use tools like Canva or BookBolt to design professional-looking interiors and covers. Stuck on ideas? ChatGPT can help you brainstorm niche topics fast. Just ask it to generate 10 journal themes for working moms or 20 ideas for puzzle books for teens. You'll be surprised how easy it is to come up with creative, unique content that people will love to buy. The more targeted your idea is, the better it will perform. Once you have your idea, use BookBolt to design the content. Drag and drop the pages, add your cover, and export the file in the format Amazon requires. There's no inventory, no printing, and no shipping. Amazon handles all of that, so your job is just to upload your files and optimize your book listing. After uploading your book to Amazon KDP, you set the price, choose your keywords, and wait for the orders to come in. Amazon takes care of the rest. Every time someone buys your book, you get paid royalties, often between $1 and $5 per sale. You don't have to do anything after you publish, which makes it a great set-it-and-forget-it model. Believe it or not, some creators are earning hundreds, even thousands, per month from a handful of well-performing books. It all depends on how well you research your keywords, design your product, and write your book description. If you treat it like a real business and keep uploading quality content, KDP can become a sustainable passive income stream. Now let's talk about podcast clipping. This is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to build a content-based income stream without needing to record your own podcast. Here's how it works. You take long-form podcast videos, often available under a Creative Commons license, and clip them into 30 to 60-second highlight moments. These short clips are perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. To make it even easier, tools like Opus Clip or Video.ai allow you to upload the full podcast episode, and the AI automatically selects high-impact moments, adds captions, and trims the video. You can edit or adjust if needed, but most of the work is done for you. This saves hours of time and allows you to consistently publish quality content. You can monetize this method in several ways. Once your short-form content gains views, you can earn through the TikTok Creator Fund, YouTube Shorts revenue, or even sponsorship deals. For example, many TikTok creators make affiliate income just by linking to a podcast guest book or product. Viral clips can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month if optimized properly. The best part? You don't have to be on camera, and you don't even need to be the voice behind the content. As long as you use clips that are public domain or licensed for reuse, you're good to go. The key is to focus on emotional, funny, or highly valuable moments that hook viewers quickly. If you're consistent, this method becomes an evergreen traffic generator. Still watching? That's awesome. It means you're serious about building an online income this year. What's coming next includes some of the most scalable and laziest ways to make money online using automation and digital tools. If you're short on time or energy, these next methods are designed for you. Let's dive into YouTube automation. This is where you build a YouTube channel without showing your face, using AI tools to handle nearly every part of the process. You write scripts using ChatGPT, record voiceovers with 11 Labs or any text-to-speech tool, and create videos using platforms like Pictory, CapCut, or Canva with stock footage. The goal is to produce faceless videos in high-demand niches, such as personal finance, tech, motivation, or AI tools. These niches pay higher AdSense rates and attract loyal audiences. Your job is to script, edit, upload, and repeat. With the right thumbnails and titles, you can start growing even with 0 subscribers. Over time, your channel becomes an asset. After 30 to 50 videos, many creators hit the threshold for monetization. From there, your income scales with each upload. You can earn from AdSense, affiliate promotions for tools like Canva or Grammarly, or by selling your own templates, ebooks, or services. It's long-term work, but very rewarding. To succeed, consistency is key. You might not see major results from your first few videos, but YouTube rewards channels that stick around. Make a 90-day plan, schedule uploads, and focus on improvement. This method doesn't require you to be an expert. It just requires patience and willingness to learn basic tools. YouTube automation can truly change your life. It builds digital equity, meaning your videos work for you even while you sleep. As your channel grows, opportunities for brand deals, digital product sales, and passive income multiply. If you want a quiet but powerful path to online income, this is one of the best. Affiliate marketing in 2025 has evolved, and it's one of the easiest ways to start earning without building a product. Here's how it works. You promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. You don't handle inventory, customer support, or shipping. You just share valuable products with the right people. One of the best platforms for beginners is Amazon Associates. You can create short TikTok or YouTube videos reviewing gadgets, home products, or books. Add your Amazon link in the bio or description. When people click and buy, you earn. Another hot platform is TikTok Shop, which allows you to promote trending items and earn as people purchase directly within the app. The secret is choosing a niche you care about, maybe kitchen hacks, wellness tools, or AI productivity apps. If you actually use and enjoy the product, your content becomes more trustworthy. You don't need to go viral to make money. Even a few hundred views on the right video can lead to sales if it's well targeted. To find products that convert well, explore affiliate dashboards like impact.com, PartnerStack, or Creator Kit. Look for items with recurring commissions or high average order values. This way, you maximize earnings even with a small audience. Add a strong call to action like link in bio to grab yours, and keep testing what works. Next up, dropshipping made easy with AI tools. If you've heard of dropshipping but felt overwhelmed, don't worry. The 2025 version is much simpler. You create a Shopify or WooCommerce store, and instead of buying inventory, your supplier ships the product directly to your customers on your behalf. The twist? You now have AI tools like Sell the Trend AutoDS or Build Your Store AI. These tools help you choose winning products, design your store, write product descriptions, and automate pricing and inventory updates. You no longer need to manually research or upload listings one by one. Once your store is live, connect it with a supplier platform like CJ Dropshipping or Spocket. These services manage orders and shipping. All you do is focus on marketing. The entire process is nearly hands-off once it's set up, and with AI integrations, it runs smoothly even for solo entrepreneurs. To drive traffic, create TikTok videos that demonstrate or unbox the products. Use trending sounds and clever hooks to grab attention. Your content doesn't need to be professional. Even simple, authentic videos often convert better than polished ads. Let AI and automation handle the back end while you attract the front-end audience. It's like any business, dropshipping takes consistency. Some stores go viral with one winning product, others take several tests to get right. Post 3 to 5 videos per week, monitor performance, and tweak what's not working. With a few tweaks and patience, your store can run with minimal effort while producing passive income. The final method is one of the most powerful and overlooked: creating knowledge content. That means taking something you already know, from your job, life, or personal experience, and turning it into simple, helpful content others are searching for. You don't need to be a guru, you just need to be one step ahead of the person watching. To find your content niche, use the 3-circle method. First, what are you good at? Maybe it's organizing, writing, or teaching. Second, what do you enjoy doing? Maybe you love helping others or breaking things down step by step. Third, what are people actively searching for? Combine all 3 and you've got a winning content formula. You don't need expensive gear to start. In fact, many creators film videos using just their phones and natural light. A clean background, clear audio, and good framing go a long way. What matters most is your message. If you're authentic and speak directly to a pain point your viewer is facing, they will watch until the end. Start by thinking about something you recently learned and teach that. Maybe you just figured out how to file taxes as a freelancer, build a Canva resume, or use an AI tool for job applications. Those tutorials are gold for someone who's just one step behind you. Package your story into a clear 3-step process, and you're already a valuable creator. Which of these methods felt like the best fit for you? Becoming a virtual assistant? Publishing puzzle books? Maybe YouTube automation caught your eye? The truth is, each method works, but only if you commit to one and give it a real try. So pick your favorite, block time on your calendar, and stay consistent for the next 30 days. You might be amazed by the results. So let's do a quick recap. First, we explored becoming a virtual assistant. Then we looked at Amazon KDP and puzzle books. After that, we dived into podcast clipping and YouTube automation. We covered affiliate marketing and lazy dropshipping. And we wrapped up with content creation based on your own knowledge. These aren't just ideas. They're proven paths to digital income in 2025. Which one will you try first? If you're ready to begin, download your free Smart Ear job search guide from the link in the description. It's packed with resume tips, LinkedIn optimization help, and smart job hunting strategies. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Because next week's video is all about 7 quiet work-from-home jobs you can do at night. No calls, no meetings, just income on your terms. Hit the bell so you don't miss it.